All right, I've got the STREBITO mini electric screwdriver kit. So this is the box that comes in, nice box. Here is the kit. So it comes with this nice case right here. Also has an instruction manual if you're gonna need that, so that's amazing. So let's just go ahead and open this. I'll give you a quick little experience. So here is the magnetizer pad that's right on top when you first open it. So that's amazing. Comes with this nice styrofoam pad. That's how it's shipped to keep it nice and everything nice and protected. Here is the charging cable for the device. I'll take the device out last. It also comes with this magnetizer, demagnetizer tool. So that's cool. It comes with this SIM card ejector right here. That's how it looks right there. It comes with this pry tool. Both sides has this pry tool right here. Then, actually, sorry, it has two of them. Oh, nice. It has two different. Let me get this out. Two different pry tools right here. So there's the other one. So cool. I'll take out the electric screwdriver. I'll show you that in a second. But here's the bits. So it comes with all these different bits right here. That's the different, different styles and whatnot. So here's the main device. So as you can see, very small, compact, lightweight. Just pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Fits perfectly in your hand. So this button right here is going to turn on. If you can see, let me turn this off so you can see that there's a light at the end. So that's the light goes off, light goes on. So that's a flashlight. If you're going to need that for any specific devices you're going to be using this for. Then you've got the R button, which you press that down, and if you can see, it is spinning right. The L button, press that down, it spins left. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do. A lot of people are going to be using this for maintenance on maybe like their phone or your computer or something like that. I got my shaver right here. I'm just going to show you how it works. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm going to put this bit. I took the bit out. So basically what I did, I took the bit out. You basically just push it in. That's it. Push it into the screw area of the shaver. Now I'm going to hold down L and you're going to watch it unscrew. And it is unscrewed. As you can, I want to show myself screwing it back in now, so you can see how easy it is. Now I'm going to press the R button to screw it back in. As you can see, got the job done. Very easy to use. Amazing tool. Highly recommend.